Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install Grammarly app on your Mac. Now for this you can open App Store on your computer. Now once you open App Store, in the search box you can type in Grammarly over here. And then you will see Grammarly app over here. You will see the get option, so click on get and then hit install and let the installation complete. Now hit install over here. It will be asking for your Mac password, so enter your Mac password over here. Now once you're logged in, it should install Grammarly. So over here you can see it's installing. Now you can click on open. You can also install Grammarly using you can install Grammarly from website also. So you can go to grammarly.com and then over here you can see at the top right, get Grammarly. It's free. Click on it and then you can log in with Google, or you can continue with Apple. Once you're logged in my case I have just logged in. Once you're logged in, you can go to apps, and if you want to install Grammarly for Mac, you can select this one. If you want to install it for Chrome, or you can see the options over here. So I will just select Grammarly for Mac over here, and you can click on install over here. And I'm going for the free version, so click on it. Double click on the icon below. Click on open. Now click on grant access. Over here you have to turn this on. You have to use the password, Mac password. And you can just log in, continue Grammarly. I will go with free one, so click on continue Grammarly. If you want Pro, you have to pay for it. And if you want to try in Word, you can select this option. If you want to try in Gmail, try in Apple Notes, you can select the option you want. I will just select it for email for now. Try in Word. I will just try, and you can start using it. So this is how you can use Grammarly on Mac. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.